Hello, welcome to OJAS 360. This is not a perfect channel and this is not a perfect video. I am starting this channel because I want to improve myself, my English, my communication, my confidence and my life. And if you are watching this, maybe you want the same. I know it feels to understand English in your minds but hesitates while speaking. You know the words, but your voice stops you. I have been there, and honestly, I am still there. That's why these channels exist. On August 360, we are not chasing any shortcuts. We are choosing daily practice. Here, I will sharing spoken English practice, communication exercises, and mindset works that actually helps in real life. All in simple, series-based formats. This first series on this channel is 90 days of spoken English. Every day one simple and small steps. No pressure, no fancy English, just practice. I will read, I will speak, and I will make mistakes and I will improve. If you practice with me, you will improve too. If you believe in slow growth, if you believe in showing up every day, then this channel is for you. Subscribes not for me, but the versions of you are trying to become. I will see in next videos. This is OJAS 360. Speak better, think deeper, and grow stronger 360.